Home equity is the difference between your home's market value and what you owe on your mortgage. Think of home equity as the portion of the home that you actually own. As you pay down your mortgage, your equity goes up, it grows. You build equity by making your monthly mortgage payments. Paying more than the minimum each month can really help. You can also improve your home's value by making improvements, which will also increase your equity. All of this kind of stuff increases your equity over time. Home equity is important because it's your financial state in your home. It's a valuable asset for your future financial plans. It can also be a safety net for emergencies. Plus, it can help fund big expenses like education or even retirement. You can tap into your home equity with a HELOC, a home equity line of credit. This could help fund home improvement projects, or you could even strategically pay off higher interest debt that you have elsewhere. Just be careful and make sure that you can handle these repayments. For more tips just like this, make sure you follow me and check out my website.